Ulit tayo.
What's up, Pilipinas? Oscar Rosario po ito. Inyong pambasong gawin at kasama po natin si Min and Tori. Yeah. So we're here right now at Pioneer Street Market para subukan mga maraming dishes from different entrepreneurs and business owners. And you three of you are connected with how do you spell that?
Like blended.
Ah, blended. Blended. And what's the specialty of blended?
Well, we call ourselves blended, but we specialize on shawarma.
Shawarma.
So basically, we sell our own twist shawarma. So we serve it as a pizza, and of course the regular wrap on rice, pork rice, and on French fries.
So why blended? Why do you call yourself blended? Ano yung meaning ng shawarma?
Well, what is our blended? Middle Eastern. We blended infused. All the ingredients are local, but we just adapted the shawarma flavor, but using local products.
And how popular is shawarma?
Very, very popular.
Very popular.
Yes, yes.
As popular as popular as Algab. As popular as
Hopefully, guys.
Jadi.
Everybody knows the shawarma is a good specific concept. We also make it from scratch. I can guarantee you it's like your next where you can just put it in anything.
So, shawarma originated from what?
Turkey has their own, Lebanese has their version, you know, the different Middle Eastern countries have their own version, yes.
Okay, so invite them all to try blended.
So we like to invite everybody to our stall here at the street market. Blended PH, follow us on Instagram, and we constantly update there for any new products. We have several other Middle Eastern dishes that we carry with us, like hummus, dips, and meze, which is a variety of different dips. And of course, we also carry other products. Check us out.
Yun. So, sabi tayo, siguro tayo ng iconic shoutout ng Boss of Pilipinas. Shout out